Yes. Any other game. Okay, what kind of a game? Let's.
Finding and searching game.
Huh?
Finding and searching game.
Finding and searching.
No,
Then
ma'am, it is. Ma'am, we can play a new game that we have not played.
okay, give me some ideas. Give me some ideas
Who
of
is
what
this?
can be done.
Ma'am, who is this?
Karthik, beta, you have joined the wrong link. This is class 4th C. Karthik, let me see if there is the same link in 4th A.
Ma'am, he has left.
Okay. Yes, now what?
Ma'am, Iram is saying ma'am to play a new game.
New game, yes, Iram.
We have not.
Get some idea. What game shall we play?
No. Ma'am,
What? Damcharak
No.
is not possible, beta. It is not possible. Any other thing? Okay. This thing I'm sure you must be doing in your personality development classes. That you have to speak on an object for 1 minute. Can we do that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Why no? No. Okay, so many no's. Then who is this Manya Verma? Agrim Verma. All right. Then what else, children? We are not being able to decide only that what game we should play.
Ma'am, typing game is right.
Yes, ma'am. It's fine.
Tapping game is not right, ma'am. When we type, ma'am, Utsav is the winner of the typing game.
Ma'am, this is too advanced.
Ma'am, we have many typing games.
Okay, let's play that game only, the one which we played. You had to be quick enough to get a. I will call out a color, and you have to get something of that color.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I cannot open that video, so ma'am, how can I search that color and
Show you. Yes, that is also one more point.
Try
Now-
Iram to open the camera.
Iram is saying that she cannot open it.
Ma'am, can I show you a very beautiful bird?
Show.
Ma'am, I have many.
Ma'am, can I show you a very beautiful bird?
Show, beta. Show.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is in front of me. Ma'am, 1 minute.
How will I
A
see?
pet.
Oh, ma'am, it has fly.
Oh, it has flown.
Ma'am, that word was of. Ma'am, that word was of. Ma'am, I have a red beak like parrot, and its face was of brown, and the back of green.
Oh, very nice.
Ma'am,
Very
it
good.
is very beautiful.
Ma'am, I have.
Ma'am, it is clear, but it is hidden.
Huh?
Ma'am, it is still here, but it is hidden now.
Okay. No problem. So children, if you are not coming to any conclusion in 2 minutes, then we are going to start with our SST study. Just think of a game in 2 minutes.
Ma'am, we can do the typing game. Ma'am, we can do.
Your typing game. Yes.
So now see, Iram is happy with the typing game.
Ma'am,
Because she doesn't want to study. She's like, okay, let's do the typing game only. Okay, why type anything of your choice? Let me.
Ma'am, a person, ma'am, a children will give a ma'am word, and ma'am, we have to write it. Ma'am, this is correct.
Okay, let me see what to type. Wait. Okay, I will define something and you have to tell me what I'm defining. Okay?
Yes.
What definition is that? What I'm talking about, you have to tell that. So we have from chapter 16 coming in our finals, right? From
Yes,
chapter 16 till the end. Okay, the first word is The first word, rivers that have water throughout the year.
Ma'am, so what we have to do?
Write in the chat box. Ma'am, I have given the answer. Ma'am, please tell who is the first.
Now, children, do I even have to look at the spellings?
No,
Now, if
ma'am,
I
no.
no, why no? Why no?
Yes, ma'am.
If I have to
Yes,
look at the
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anshuman beta,
Yes, ma'am.
you were supposed to write. I said rivers that flow throughout the year. What are those rivers called? Name. What is the name of those rivers?
Okay, ma'am.
Those rivers are called which rivers? Dash rivers. Rachit, you were not supposed to give the name.
To everyone.
Okay, so class 4th C gets a 0 on this question. Why?
Ma'am,
Because
I have written the answer. Ma'am,
no,
I have so written.
these are not the spellings. Look at the spellings. What will you do, huh?
Oh.
Utsav, wrong spelling. Iramnas, wrong spelling. Rachit has given the names of those rivers. You have to tell what are these rivers called that have water throughout the year.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, we can.
And
Ma'am, we can
Devare
write.
also wrong spelling.
Ma'am, we can write again.
Yes, you can write again. Jayesh, hurry up and tell.
Ma'am, please see. Ma'am, I have given.
Okay, Utsav Gangwar, again your spellings are wrong. Any other child whose spellings can be right? Children, see, you've got so much chance. Okay, 0. 4th C gets a 0 on this. Next question. Be ready for the next question. Okay, what is the word called when something is able to be sailed on by ships or boats? Able to be sailed. Something, a place. The rivers are called dash when ships and boats can be sailed on them. No, children, no, Utsav, it is not the correct answer. The word starts with N. What rivers? Navigable. Again 0. Class 4th C. Could not do 2 questions. Okay, time for the third question. Okay, what is a branch of a river called that moves away from the main river? When a river branches out from the main river, what is it called?
Ma'am, have you received my answer?
Yes, I have received many answers. Only one student has given correct answer, that too with wrong spellings. Anshuman, your answer is correct with wrong spellings. If you wish, you can change your spellings. Hurry up and change your spellings. What is a tributary? Tributary is when a stream joins a... What is tributary? Tell me. When some small rivers join a big river, that is tributary. And what is a distributary? When from the main river, it branches out. That is a distributary. Children, what is wrong with you today? Huh? Not even a correct answer till now. Again, wrong spelling. Distributary, Anshuman. Iramnas, it is distributary. It is not tributary, beta. It is distributary. A smaller river that joins a big river is called a tributary. A distributary is a branch of a river that flows out from the main river. Okay. So again 0. 3 questions and 0 marks, right?
Ma'am, I have sent the answer. Ma'am, please check.
But beta, you sent the answer after telling the answer, na? After I told you the answer, then you sent, na? So how can I give you points for this? Okay. Then the next one is children, say you have not earned even a single point and you're not, that
Ma'am,
is
I
why
can
you're not
earn.
taking any interest in the game, right?
Ma'am, I can earn because ma'am, but ma'am, you have make the rule for the spelling. Ma'am, this is not correct.
Yes. So
Ma'am,
why?
this is too not correct.
Oh, this is not correct. You should not give answers with correct spelling, huh? Is that so?
Ma'am, we have to give.
Then how will you learn the spellings? How will you focus on spellings? This is how you're going to focus next time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen to it very carefully. All of you will answer and think of the spellings before writing. What is a group of islands called? What is a group of islands called?
Ma'am, I have given the answer.
Very nice. So Anshuman and Iramnaz, 1 point each. Correct spellings and again Utsav, your spellings are wrong.
No,
Anshuman
ma'am.
and Iram, 1 point each. The next question is, okay, this is an interesting one. It is a kind of fill in the blank. There are 22 languages mentioned in the dash of India. In the dash of India. There are 22 languages mentioned in the dash of India. Very nice. Utsav is the one and Iram Naz. Utsav and Utsav and Iram 1 point each. But beta, you were late now. You gave the answer, no doubt the answer is correct. But Utsav and Iram get 1 point each. Then the next one is anything that makes the environment dirty or pollutes the environment is called a dash. Lakshita gets 1 point and Utsav gets 1 point.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am. I have got the wrong answer. Ma'am, please wait.
No, so okay, we will wait, but Iram, still you will not get the point. Anything that pollutes the environment or makes the environment dirty is called a pollutant. What is it called? It's called a pollutant. Okay, next one. Lakshita and Utsav, you've marked your points.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next one. Okay, this one is interesting. Mosquitoes breed in dash water. What kind of water? Mosquitoes breed in dash water. No, not dirty. No, not unclean. When water stays at a place, what is that water called? No, not landfill. Mosquitoes breed in dash water. Flowing water is also dirty, but mosquitoes do not breed in flowing water. What do they breed in?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am,
Yes,
I know.
Iram, hurry up and write. Hurry up and write it, beta. Very good. Iram gets 1 point. Iram gets 1 point. The answer is stagnant water. Only Iram gets a point. No one else has answered. Then the next is, okay. What are the chemicals called that are used to kill harmful insects? No, Anshuman. Very good, Lakshita. Lakshita gives this answer correct. And after Lakshita, who will give? Let me see. Anshuman. Very good. So Lakshita and Anshuman, 1 point each. The answer is pesticides. Pesticides
Ma'am,
are
I
used.
am also
But
Ma'am, I
two are after them, beta. I'm just counting two students at a time.
Okay, ma'am.
The two fastest students, I'm taking their names. So how many points are you on, Anshuman?
Ma'am, 2.
2 points. Iram, you?
Ma'am, I am on 3 points.
Utsav,
Yes, ma'am.
how many points are you on?
Ma'am, 2.
And Lakshita?
2.
Okay. So Iram is taking the lead, huh? Iram is on 3 points. Next. Okay, this one. Dash in industrial areas can absorb the loud sound. What do we do in industrial areas and the sound can be absorbed? By doing what? Loud sounds can be absorbed by doing dash in the industrial areas. Play more level of volume, Jayesh. We are talking about reducing the sound, huh?
Ma'am, I didn't tell.
Yes, Iram, hurry up. Very nice. Iram gets another point. By planting trees near industrial areas, the sound can be absorbed. And Anshuman also. Anshuman and Iram get 1 point each.
3.
3
Ma'am,
and
I got
Iram is
4.
on 4 points. Very good. Then,
Ma'am, I learned this chapter that only when you have, ma'am, said to read, ma'am, I have learned this chapter in the night.
Very nice, beta. Very good. Okay, the next question that comes is, okay, if we talk about the clothes and costumes, each state has a dash dress. Each state has a dash dress. What dress? Very good, Utsav. So in this one,
No, ma'am, I also know.
in this one, Utsav and Rachit get 1 point each. Each state has a traditional dress. Okay, what is that kind of a food called which is eaten routinely and in large quantities? What is that food known as? Very good, Iram. Very nice, Anshuman. Iram and Anshuman get 1 point each. That food is called staple food or staple diet. Very good.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
got
4
5 points.
points. Ma'am, 4 points.
Ma'am, 5 points.
5 points. Very good. Very nice. Okay. One more thing. Now, think hard. What is a regional language of a place called? Very good, Utsav. And Anshuman. Utsav and Anshuman, 1 point each.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I also
5.
telling, but I cannot tell.
Dialect.
Ma'am, 5
I
points.
know
The
the
regional
answer, ma'am, but
language of a place which is spoken differently is called dialect.
Ma'am, diamond.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am, 5 points.
Okay. One more thing.
ma'am, there is a tie between Anshuman and me.
Yes. Now, what are these names used for? Onam, Navroz, Gudi Padwa. What are these names used for? Very good, Iram. Iram gets another point. Anshuman gets another point. Very good.
Ma'am,
These
Ma'am,
are
6.
these are names used for New Year in different communities in
Yes,
India.
ma'am.
Okay, one more interesting question. The government uses Hindi and English as official languages for all dash. For all what? No, not religion. For all? No, Anshuman. No, Utsav. Yes, Iram Naz and Lakshita get 1 point each. It uses
Ma'am, what
Hindi
is
and English as official languages for correspondence.
Ma'am, 6 points.
Ma'am, I got 7 points.
Very nice. Very good, Iram.
Ma'am,
And
I am on second
see, Iram,
place.
you were saying, no, ma'am, we will not play this game.
Ma'am, I don't know yet that you also speak to ma'am the spelling also. Ma'am, I don't know. So, ma'am, I said that Utsav is the first one.
Okay, now the next one. Where do we have the cellular jail or the Kala Pani jail? So 1 point goes to Utsav and 1 point goes to Iram. It is the Andaman Island. Beta, you have written, Anshuman, you have written Andaman and Nicobar. It is not in the Nicobar Islands, it is in the Andaman. And Utsav
Okay,
and
ma'am.
Iramnas only have written Andaman.
Ma'am, you have said after the chapter, ma'am, when you have writing the ma'am, the write a note on Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island, ma'am, you have said that the this silver jail is in Andaman.
Yes, it is in the Andamans. Okay. Then next we have okay, one more interesting thing. In which state do we see the silver filigree work? In which state? I have shown these pictures to you on Google, the filigree work. Very nice in Iram, very nice Anshuman. Anshuman and Iram get 1 point each. The state is Odisha. It is
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
state of Odisha
Yes, ma'am.
that we have the famous silver filigree work.
Ma'am, when you are reading the chapter, when you and are reading the chapter, ma'am, you have said and also ma'am, seen the picture also that these are the filigree.
Yes, I showed you such interesting pictures, no, of filigree work.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, how many points are you on, Iram?
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
I am on 9 points.
And Anshuman?
Ma'am, 7.
Okay, Utsav
Ma'am, 6.
and Lakshita?
No, I'm on 3.
Oh, Lakshita, you are there only. You're doing so well. You're giving every answer correct, beta. Try to be a little quick and other children buck up.
Ma'am,
Now next time I want to
disconnected.
see your name. I want to call out your name. Okay, Rachit?
Okay, ma'am.
Both your fingers on the keypad. Okay, another interesting question is, which plateau lies between the Aravali and the Vindhya mountain ranges? Which plateau? No, not Deccan Plateau. Very good, Anshuman. It is very good, Iram. It is the Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau lies between
Ma'am, Aravi range
and Vindhya mountain range. And where does the Deccan Plateau lie? Deccan Plateau lies to the south of the Satpura range. Very nice, very good. Then we have, okay, you have to tell me where it is located.
Ma'am,
In
the 2
which
minutes are left. Ma'am, can you after this question, ma'am, can you tell who is the winner?
beta 2 minutes are not left.
Ma'am, 7.
Beta, the class does not get over at 125. Oh, 145. It gets over at 150 now.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
7.
ma'am.
Yes, we have 7 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Then it's okay.
Okay, Utsav, what are you answering? Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh? I haven't put up any question. Okay, the question is, the question that I have for you is, where is the Bhilai steel plant located? In which state? Very good, Devarya. This time Devarya took it, huh? And Devarya and Iramnaz. Dev
Ma'am,
and
they said to everyone.
Yes, they've sent it to everyone. Okay, 1 point each. Then the next question that I have is what is the name of the waste that gets mixed with the soil? Very good, Anshuman, and very good. No, Utsav, no, this is not the answer. There are many other organic things that get mixed with the soil. Yes, Rachit and Anshuman gave the correct answer. It is the biodegradable waste that gets mixed with the soil.
Ma'am, what will be the name?
Next question. Okay, what kind of waste material is this? Okay, you have to tell me the category.
Ma'am, which?
I'm asking. Bandages and syringe. It comes under what kind of waste?
Ma'am, it.
Very good, Anshuman. Anshuman has answered, and Rachit and Utsav. It is the medical waste. It is the medical waste. Very good, children. 1 point goes to Anshuman and Rachit. Then, what kind of a waste sewage water? What kind of a waste is this? Iram, Naz, Anshuman, Dev. But Iram, you have written wrong spelling. So it goes to Anshuman and Devarya. It goes to Anshuman and Devarya.
Ma'am, now there is a tie
Ma'am, by
between
mistake,
Iram and
I
I.
have wrong spelling.
Huh, it is a tie between Anshuman and Iram.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 11 point.
Very nice, very nice. So it is the liquid waste. Now let me just ask one last question and then let's end the class.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
I'm going to end the class because I have to go to school today.
Ma'am, why school?
Why school? Because there
Ma'am,
is a
there will be a
meeting.
meeting.
There is a meeting and we have to reach at 2:30. So I need to finish off with the class. Yes, one last question for all of you. What is the protection of natural environment called? Very nice, Iram Naz. Iram gives the answer. Next, let's see, is it Anshuman? No.
Ma'am, what is the question? Please ask again.
Protection of natural environment is called dash. What is the protection of natural environment called? Oh, very nice. Anshuman has typed such a long spelling. And it's Iram and Anshuman again. Nobody in between typed. Why?
Ma'am, I have typed.
Beta, Rachit, you have typed conserve. It is not conserve. You have to write either conservation or environmental conservation. Anshuman has written environmental conservation. Okay. So again, 1 point each to Iram and Anshuman. Okay, children, now one last question. Let's see if it's Iram or it's Anshuman. The last question of today is, what is a dumping place called? A garbage dump or, okay, it's Utsav. And let me see along with Utsav, it's Lakshita. Utsav.
No, ma'am,
No, beta. Lakshita answered before you. And Devansh.
there is a tie between Anshuman and I, ma'am.
Okay, still there is 1 minute. Still there is 1 minute left. Let me see. One more question. Okay. In what kind of pollution we have irritation, sleep disturbance, and loss of hearing? What kind of pollution gives all this? Iramnaz and Utsav. Yes, Iramnaz and Utsav are the winners.
Ma'am, but who is the winner of this game?
Oh, yes,
first
this
is
game,
Iram.
Iramnaz is the winner of this game. First is Iramnaz, second is Anshuman.
And ma'am, who is third?
Third, I don't know, children. Now you are counting your
And
points.
third is Utsav. And third is
Yes,
Utsav.
ma'am. Ma'am, third is Utsav.
Third is Utsav. Okay. So, children, that's all for today's class. Wish you all a very happy new year in advance.
Ma'am, can I tell one speech on New Year?
Right now,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, now when in New Year we'll enter New Year, I'm going to hear your speech then. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Let's say bye to this year. Bye to all of you. See you next year now. Have a good day.
Ma'am.